Welcome back. In this lesson, we're talking about combining like terms. This is one of the most important algebra basics because it helps you simplify expressions before solving bigger problems. The big idea is that the terms only combine if they match in the right way. The goal of combining like terms is to clean up the expression by grouping matching parts together, aka simplifying the chaos. So here, instead of leaving 2x plus 4 plus 3x plus 1 all spread out, we can combine the x terms together and the constants together. That gives us 5x plus 5. Every term has its part. In 3x, the 3 is the coefficient, which tells us how many x's we have. The x is the variable part, and that part has to stay the same if we want to combine like terms. So when we combine those like terms, we usually add or subtract the coefficients, aka the number 3. But we keep the variable part unchanged. This slide shows when terms can and cannot combine. 3x and 5x can combine because the variable matches and the exponent matches. Constants like 4 and 9 can combine also. But x and x squared do not combine because even though they both use x, the exponent is different. And 3x and 3y do not combine because the variables, the x and y, are different. Let's start with the easiest kind, constants. Constants are numbers with no variables. No x, no y. So they always combine with other constants. 4 plus 7 gives us 11. This works because they are both just numbers. Now we combine variable terms. 3x plus 5x becomes 8x. The reason is that both terms have the exact same variable part, x, so we add the coefficients, the numbers, 3 plus 5, and keep the x the same. Subtraction works the same way. 9y minus 2y becomes 7y. Since both terms have y, they are like terms, the same terms. So we subtract the coefficients, the numbers, and keep the variable. This is where students can make some mistakes. X and x squared do not combine because of the exponents. 2a and 2b do not combine because of the variables. And a variable term like 3m does not combine with a constant like 3. The variable part has to match exactly. When you have a mixed expression, the best move is to group the like terms together first. So in something like 2x plus 4 plus 3x plus 1, we group the x terms together and the constants together. Then we simplify to get 5x plus 5. This slide also shows some other common mistakes that people can make. 3x plus 2 does not become 5x because x and a constant are not like terms. X plus x squared does not become 2x squared And when you subtract terms, you have to keep the signs correct. For this example, 5x minus 3x. We can't change it from subtraction to then addition out of nowhere. Also, don't drop the variable. If 4y plus 2y becomes 6, that's wrong. It should be 4y plus 2y becomes 6y. Pause here and try these on your own. Focus on one question at a time. Ask yourself, do these terms actually match? If they do, combine them. If not, leave them separate. Here are the answers. 6x plus 2x becomes 8x because those are like terms. 7y minus 3y becomes 4y because they're like terms. 4a plus 5 plus 2a plus 1 becomes 6a plus 6. And x plus x squared cannot combine because they're not like terms. Combining like terms is one of the foundations of algebra. Once you understand this, the next step is the distributive property, because that topic often leads right back into combining like terms.